Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Phil, the True Tech Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of pretty much an interactive TV wall mount. By interactive I mean this actually just doesn't move side to side or swivels. It does more than that. It actually moves up and down, side to side, corner to corner. This is how this moves. It's fully interactive, and I can't wait to put it up. It's going to be a little bit of work, but hey, I'm pretty good at putting these things together and making everything look good. So I'm going to unbox this and show you what's inside. It's pretty big. It's not that big. It's you can actually put a television up there from 30 to 55 inches on this. But I'm going to be putting a monitor on this, a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. But let's get to opening this box up and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. From what I can show you here right now, it's got some instructions here. Let's see here. Basically, this is the Play40 interactive TV mount. There's a picture of what it's going to look like once it's put on. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a mounting guide. So it's what you can actually put on your wall to actually tell you exactly what you need or where you need it to be. You get the full view of what you wanted to do. You can see it's just showing the brackets of how it would look. Alright, what do we got here? There's nothing in there. Looks like we got your mounting bracket that you'll use to put it on the wall here. This is just a cover right there. And these are your little holding brackets here that which you use to, depending on the size of your television and how it's actually built, you would actually connect them on the back of your television just like this. And as you can see right here, there's like a little thing that would pretty much just hold on to, I guess, a part of the mount itself. So let's get in here. Then you have, I don't even know where to start here. You got the mount. Let's go for the big stuff here. This is the arm. Yeah, this is the arm. Basically, this is what you would connect. It looks like this part to. Yeah, somehow you would connect that on there, and that's how that will go. I've already put one of these up, but I didn't get this kind where you can actually full range motion, and then it would adjust to wherever you want it to be, pretty much like that. And this part right here is the part what actually will look like it will go onto the wall. Yeah, this is what will go on to the wall itself, and this will slide on there like that. That way it gives it that swivel motion. So we're gonna see about that a little bit. What else we got here? Not really sure what these are right now, but other accessories. Yeah, more accessories here. Yeah, I guess these are parts for these. And we got, looks like a big long screw here, and it's like tubing for it. I'm not sure if that fits into the arm somehow for it. And a washer, giant washer here, and some other little washers and one screw here. So, and it looks like a twisty tie. And in here we got some nuts and bolts. Oh, well, some of them already came out. What the heck? Come on, really? What is this all about? Well, I did get it from Amazon, so you don't know. Somebody might already try to use this or something. But we'll figure it out. Then, we got some more accessories here. So, this is what's in the box here. I'm going to be putting this together, so I'm going to make a video of me putting it up on the wall, and hopefully I'll get that up there soon so you can see what's going on. And I hope you like my unboxing. If you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment at the bottom, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'll also make a review video on it and give you my ideas on it and my opinions on it and tell you if I like it or not. So I hope you like my unboxing of the OmniMount interactive TV mount. If you did, please press that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Again, I'm Phil, the True Tech Dad, and thanks for watching.